Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today in this video we are going to see class 9 chapter 3 the world of numbers, end of chapter exercises. Okay, so every question I will be explaining along with basics, and so please practice along with me. Okay, so now the first question is convert the given rational numbers into fractions. So I believe the first number is 3 by 50. So the first one is 3 by 50. You have to convert into decimals. Okay. So here, before going to the actual problem, I want to explain you. Suppose if a number is in P by Q form, okay, and the denominator Q, if we prime factorize the denominator, that means if we divide the denominator with only prime numbers, so then whatever the product you get, it should be in the form of 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Okay, 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, only product of 2 and 5. Okay, so then what will happen? Then the whole fraction can be written in the form of terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Okay. Here, a small note. Let me tell you that this m and n can be 0 or greater than 0. Okay, it can be 0 or greater than 0. That means 0 and positive integers. It cannot be negative integer. Okay. So now let us see 3 by 50. What is? Let me do it. Now prime factorization of 50. So prime factorization of 50. How will you do? 2 how many times? 25 times. And the next prime number is 3. It will not divide. So 5 times, and 5 1 time. So that it can be written as 2 times 5 into 5. So that means 2 to the power of 1 into 5 square. So is it in the form of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n? Yes. So therefore 3 by 50 can be written as terminating decimal. So let us write it as terminating decimal. Now let us divide 50. So the divisor is bigger than the dividend, so therefore keep point, and you can borrow 1 0. So 50, now it became 30. It is still smaller. So I need one more 0 here. So keep 1 0 after the decimal and borrow 1 0. Now 50 in 300, I believe it is 6 times. 6 times 300. So therefore 3 by 50 can be written as 0.06. The same question, if they ask you 3 by 50, is it a terminating decimal or not? So what you do? You just prime factorize, and if the prime factorization is in the product of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n only, and let me write here, it should be only. Okay, it should not contain any other prime number. If it is in this product, then the fraction 3 by 50 can be written as a terminating decimal. Got it? Now let us see the next second question. Yeah. So please copy it, pause it, and copy. Now, what is the second question? Let me check the second question. Second question is 2 by 9. The second one is 2 by 9. And we all know that 9 can be written as 3 times 3, that is equal to 3 square. Is it right? So is it in the form of 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n? No. So therefore, whenever you divide 2 with 9, what do you get? You will get non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, let us see. 2 divide it with 9. And now the dividend is smaller than divisor. So keep point and it will become 20. And how many times? 9 2s 18. Now what is remainder? 2. And since already we have kept a decimal, you can borrow 1 0. And 9 2s 18. Now what is the remainder? 2. So this series is continuing. So you will get the same answer. So that means therefore 2 by 9 is equal to 0.222 so on. So that can be written as 0.2 bar. Understood, my dear students? So please remember the concept of terminating decimals. What is the concept of terminating decimals? Whenever you prime factorize the denominator, it should be in the form of 2 to the power of n and 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n only, where m and n can be 0 or greater than 0. Okay, then if whenever you convert this, they can be converted into terminating decimals. Otherwise, they cannot. I hope you understand it. Okay.